To dodge and burn in Ibispaint, we have to click on the layer, then add layer. Now we will name it dodge and burn. Now we have to take a brush. I'm taking the felt tip pen, and from here we have to select gray color. For accurate selection, we will click on slider and just use the ± to make it 50% gray, and just paint it. And again open the layer, and we have to change this normal to soft light. After that, we have to select airbrush, and then we can just paint it. We have to take white so that we can paint the dodge in the highlight areas. So just like that, we will paint on the highlight areas for the dodge. Alright, so you can see the before and after here. Now for the burn effect, having burn on the face, we can take the block, and same way we can just paint on the dark areas where we need the burn effect, just like that. Alright, now you even see the before and after. You can also decrease the opacity to see which fits better, and then from here we can increase the blur as well so that it will look more smooth. Now here I'm showing you another method. Just add a layer and make it normal to add, and select white, and then just paint where you need to add the highlight, just like that. You can just decrease the opacity of the brush so that it will look realistic. Now for the burn, we have to get a new layer and normal to multiply. Then just pick a cover from the darkest part of the photo and start painting wherever you need the burn effect. Now again we will decrease and increase the opacity to see which looks more realistic, and I guess that's fine. So here two methods I show you, one with the gray color and one with two layers, which is multiply and add. I hope this helps you and you learned something new from this video. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe and like, and of course comment what you want next, and I will try my best to teach you whatever I know in Ibispaint. And yeah, that's all for today. Let me know what you want in the next video, and also let me know which language do you prefer. Thanks for watching the video.